Okay, I did a little bit of research on these doves and doves, what they do. Apparently they leave their eggs hanging around for a little bit and sometimes sit on them, sometimes they don't. And apparently it doesn't faze them at all, but there's a couple of things I'm a bit concerned about. And one is that they said that they're fine if they don't get wet. Well, I can't guarantee that hasn't happened. And if the egg doesn't freeze or go below 72 degrees, I'm going to see if I can get a well, I don't know if you can see that. It says 95, so I don't like the chances. I think they might be dud. That's 35 degrees out here at the moment on that egg in the shade. So, just have another look. Yeah, that was it. Well, she's fairly warm today. I don't like the chances. I think they're over. I don't think they're going to be any good for an omelette yet anymore. So anyway, I'm going to keep an eye out. We'll see. We saw the dove sitting up on the wood there, above it. You never know. We'll see what happens. See ya. Get a read of that present and have a look.
And you can also see